Okay. I don't know what you guys saw, what you didn't. The chip did some weird stuff. So, but anyways, I think you're getting the point. So now we're trying to stretch it. So, usually this isn't working. So. What I think I'm going to do is I've got ratchet straps. Here's one, for example. And let me show you what I did. You guys are still taping here. Okay, we are. Let me show you what I'm thinking about here. We got this, obviously. We got this. So we'll take this, put it in there, put this in here, and I'll show you what I did inside. Thinking ahead. Now, last January the winds were real bad, so what I did, can't really see it, I put, we call them, they're anchor bolts, but I also took chain and went like that, so I have something to connect to. You can see that. Just, you know, something inexpensive and effective. I'm all about efficiency and saving money. So the winds were so bad, it really just mangled this thing up. And that's what destroyed the roof, or the fabric on the Bronco. So, what I think we'll do, since that's the closest one, closest one, I'll just ratchet it to there. So let me do that real quick. What are you doing? And that kind of worked. Look, it took a lot of the out of that. I mean, you know, yeah, it did. That's okay. I mean, I'm gonna be okay with that. We just don't have that many straps to really go ballistic over here with, you know. Because I mean, this place really, we can see what's going on just with a little bit of wind we're having here. So that will help quite a bit. So I think if we do that, we go, you know, again, I want to get to those other projects today. And that's the plan anyways. Guess we can leave this in here for now. Just gotta remember it's here. Yeah, this is a little, I'd like to get that over a little bit. Maybe. So how many ratchets do we need? We need one here, obviously. Maybe we could just bring this down, take these off, and bring that whole corner down. That would, we'll see. So we'll need one, maybe two or three. And try to use what we got here. Use them, see I use the thing there to hold it together. Let me go up there and grab the let me go grab those clamps. Oh. Now while I'm up here, I don't know, we might need them on both sides, huh? And it's not working like I thought over here. We got that pulled pretty tight. don't know, maybe that'll work. I'm not a big, I just think water's going to puddle in there, and that's not going to be cool. Let's see. Yeah, I just think this whole side needs to be pulled down. So let's do that. I'll take you with me to the garage. Alright. Oh, whoops. See if we're still videoing here. Taking whatever you YouTubers call it. Filming. Yeah, maybe. Pretty tight. See, that could be brought down. So we'll take that off. Yeah, I think this whole side. So let me go find some. I think the best thing for this is straps. So this is the house. So plan here is build a shed over here. That's kind of the next thing. That'll get all the stuff off the patio. We moved the container and the shed. I should have filmed that. This is that would have, you guys would have really liked that, I think. I think that would have been that's Willow under there. And I'll tell you, that cat, the bobcat came in here and killed. Yeah, so all this, they got a lot of work to do. Anyways, the bobcat came in and killed her brother, sister, mom, everything. That's the only, Willow's the only survivor. And then she had kittens. And that's one, we call that one Mr. Meow. And that's, we call that one Bad A. I don't know what you're talking. They're pretty friendly most of the time. Oh, phone's ringing. Let's see who this is. Could be spam, you never know. Oh. Hey, baby. Okay. Are you serious? Oh, shoot. Okay. All right. It's blinking? Uh-oh. Okay. Well, bring it in. All right, babe. I love you. Okay, baby. Bye-bye.